My name is Lloyd French. I'm a scientist and an engineer at the University of Hawaii. We're building spacecraft and doing remote sensing of Earth, and that's something that we're very excited about doing. And with that, we learn about science of Earth, geology, we learn about climate and weather. Usually a lot of students tend to ask, what is it like to be a scientist? And I usually tell them it's a journey, it's sort of an adventure, if you will. Because many times being a scientist, depending on what it is that you're trying to do research on, you never know what you might discover or you might find. As Galileo was orbiting around Jupiter, it was orbiting and weaving its way through a lot of its moons. And it passed by a very unique moon called Europa. It's possible that this moon has ice on the outside and maybe possibly liquid water on the inside. Well, that's where we decided to develop a subsurface mobile system. And the part that makes that so very exciting is that a lot of the things that you're trying to look for are now more preserved in the ground or in the ice because it doesn't have the weathering effects. It doesn't have all the atmospheric effects that would affect anything that might be on the surface, because those environments are always changing, where anything under the surface typically is preserved. I grew up in Oakland, California, and I went through the school systems there, and as a child we lived in an area where there was a lot of open fields. And I'll walk through the fields and trails on my way to school. It was very exciting because sometimes there would be ponds, or there'd be rivers, or there'd be great trees that would act like bridges, and so it became sort of a way of exploration as well. School, career, and the things that you are involved in should be fun. I don't know what challenges are going to present themselves, and I look at the challenges and the changes that come from it as something that's fun. So I guess in one sense every day can be like an adventure.